What's up, guys? Welcome, hopefully welcome back to the Wheelhouse. It's good to see you, and I got some good news. We're going to take a look at our Hold'em or Fold'em series. We're going to go through the portfolio review of all the stock picks that I've given you, see if we're going to get rid of any, see how much we made on them, see if we're going to add to them, and just take a look at the technicals and how much they all made. So real quick, I just want to let you know we are launching the Discord this week. The first 200 members that join are going to be able to be grandfathered in as far as being able to be in the Discord for like the general chat and the general area to be part of it. Normally it's $5 a month, so they'll be able to get in, or you'll be able to get in, and then from there you can choose if you want to have the Padawan tier, which has the trade alerts and special areas and some other things, or be a Jedi and go all the way and have the courses, the trade logs, the one-on-one courses with me, the trade alerts, the T-shirt, the trading book that I send you, and just everything, all the Wheelhouse Wednesdays, everything. So I've had the channel up for a month. I've given you a little over 30 picks. There was only one of them that was down, and it was down less than 1%. I went through all of them. Your blended rate on all of them are, if you bought all of them, you are up 23.87% on all of them combined. Some of them are up 80%. Some of them are up lower, but they're all up. And those of you who have been following the channel or in the Discords that I'm in know that I pick straight winners, that I'm the real deal. It's kind of funny, even some of these larger channels are starting to talk about my picks, 2-3 days after I make a video. So I guess that's flattering, right? Yeah, I don't mess around. We pick winners. They all go up, and there's a reason why that is. And I teach you guys how to do that in the courses, and I teach you where to find them and how to hunt them before they go up, and how to use good technical entries and protect your capital so you never lose, and you just keep creating wealth for yourself. You just keep making money, and you just keep grabbing those pellets like Pac-Man. And that's the name of the game. And if you go back through all my videos, I teach you pro tips. I've been a professional trader for a long time, and this is what I do. I'm very, very good at it. I do not lose money. I have certain systems, processes, and protocols that keep me from making bad decisions and losing money, and then hitting the breakouts with the big volume gains right off the bat. Just like in this morning's video, I said buy SoFi, but I recorded that on a Sunday, and what happened today? You see what I'm saying? Didn't I say buy SM Energy of 434% for the year? What happened today? Again. So we're going to go through these and just take a look at some of these. But yeah, so let's see. I made a little area called Video Technicals. And let's just start digging through them and see if we're going to hold them or fold them, guys. Okay. Do me a favor, hit the like on the video, hit subscribe on the channel, hit select all, the little bell so that you get the content that I put out. Don't be late to the party. Everybody that is on this channel knows that I pick huge winners, and I'm good at it, and they're all making money. And I know because I talk to a lot of them in the Discords, and they're just like blown away how much money they're starting to make, and they never were before. So I want everybody that sees this right now to have an opportunity to make money. And that's why I started a YouTube channel. It wasn't because I wanted to. I didn't care to do it. I was retired, okay? But I wanted to help people out and show people the right way to enter technically, pick stocks, protect their capital, and have huge annual returns every year. Whether it's a down market or up market, I can show you all those things. So let's look at SoFi. I have been explaining over and over and over about this in multiple videos, including the one that came out Monday morning. And as you can see, there was my breakout, and I told you guys, to get it in that Wheelhouse watch list. And look what happened an hour and a half after the video came out. So let's go take a look and see what's going on. So in 1 month, you are up 40.58%. Now, we have had 3 swing trades on this, and so we have got that whole 40.58. At least I did, and I think a lot of you guys did. The next one that I had talked about, and was the first person to put it out there. I said it's going to 1256, and I said that when it was $876. And everybody was like, are we going to make it to 9? And I said, we're going to 1256. How did I know that? I did the technical analysis. I ran the fib circles. I used the measured move on the symmetrical triangle. I was able to figure out that we were going to 1256. Immediately after it started running. So you are up in 1 month on that. You are now up, it's got to be like 50%, 54.64%, $427.06. Who loves you, baby? All right, next, I told you Playboy. I was explaining to you the magic T theory, how you were below the 200 in a bear market. You went down this whole thing. There was all this major institutional support. You crept above all of it. You had a perfect technical entry, and the distance between this all the way down and us crossing here was going to be the distance all the way up. And you were going to, over this amount of time, you were going to go up based on the magic T theory. If you go back and through those videos, I do a full explanation on how I came up with that. So let's go see what you came up on a month for that one, okay? 32.78%. You're up on Playboy since I recommended that. All right, Upstart. You know, I recommended it. It went up about $100, came down about 80, and then I rebought it, and I made like $900. I ended up getting stopped out. I had a $16 wiggle room on my stop, and it went to like $335. I set it at $321. I bought it at $313. I made like $800 or $900, and then I rebought it again. And we're off to the races again on this sucker. So we are up in a month 18.97%, which is a lot. It's $54.96 because it's you know fairly medium range for cost on that one. So Upstart, we're keeping it. We're keeping Playboy. We're keeping Tesla. We're keeping SoFi. CleanSpark. I really like that one. I think it can go really, really far. It's kind of like the one that we just talked about, where it just is crossing the 200 and it's very bullish and has, can go up another 850% over time. In a month, it's up 77.56%. Boom. This is going to be a good one. CleanSpark. Stay on it. SM Energy. Right now is my favorite stock. I'm not playing. This is like just that secret Wall Street winner, guys. And if you saw those earnings, actually, I'm just going to show you the earnings. They're so sick. Look, in 1 month, you're up 26.61%. In 6 months, 121.79%. Year to date, 476.1%. SM Energy, you're keeping. You're not getting rid of it. Let's just go take a look at those earnings to show you how incredible these were. Okay, you had... Hold on. Your earnings per share is up 180.23%. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Your EPS beat was 424.53%, which the earnings just came out a couple days ago from the previous quarter a year ago. That is insanity. That's the kind of stuff we like at the Wheelhouse. 424.53% beat on the EPS, 45.97% beat on the revenue. Try to convince me that Wall Street is not taking a serious look at that and that you have a huge safety measure of institutional support from this moment forward. SM, you're keeping it in your wheelhouse. Another one that I love and have been preaching for you guys to buy is apps. Now, apps has just been an absolute winner for me, and I think a lot of you guys got it. You're up 31.78% on apps on the month, and this thing is still going to go. Okay, you're going to keep that in your wheelhouse. You just had a breakout. Okay, MPNGY. I don't know if I put this on the YouTube channel, but I did talk about it in the Discords. Let's just go see what we're up on this one. This one, MPNGY. This one is 20%, 20.03% in 1 month, okay? Now this one, I don't know if a lot of you guys bought this, but this has been a monster. I mean, this is like, I told you guys about this like a month ago. NRGU, okay? It's a triple X leveraged oil, energy and oil buy. In 1 month, up 17.53%. You're keeping it. Keep that one. Baidu. I had told you guys, I was a little nervous about the Chinese stocks. I was going to keep NIO. Well, I bought Baidu and I bought JD again. I couldn't resist. Baidu. All right, so Baidu in 1 month, we're up 16.35%. AMC, I got stopped out on AMC. I'm just going to be full disclosure here. I tried to hold in. We were in an uptrend. We were making lower highs. Things are not quite bullish here, but they just went bullish as of today on the indicators. So for you, those of you who are still in, good for you. You're up a little bit less than 1% in a month. It's been a little bit of a tough month. I got stopped out. I told you guys about that AMD, how we were in the box confluence and we had to break 108. If we broke 108 with volume, it was off to the races, okay? And we broke 108 with volume 2 days after I said that. And we are now up 24.81%. Congratulations for those who took AMD. NIO, I've been doing multiple videos on NIO explaining technically what was going on from one of my very first videos. You're up 22.28% on NIO. Congratulations. We're heading to 55. We do have to continue in this trend, get above this purple line, break out of here, and then there's multiple breaks. Go back to my other videos, take a look at all the technicals, and I'm sure I'll be doing more on that because I am, I'm in NIO and have been for a while. So this is one that has done incredible, guys. INMD. I put it out in one of my very first videos. So in a month, you were up 42.62%. Look at this bull trend. Woo! Green lights to the beach, baby. Who loves you? So that's a good one. Now, Task. Task is another one. I got stopped out on Task after making some money. Let's go see where we're at on that. In 1 month, yep, only up 0.45, so about 0.5%. I thought it was going to swing up like this last. Okay, so we caught this one, and then got out, and then caught this one, and then I got stopped, and it looks like it's about to do another move, but I don't like that it's making lower highs. So I would say we're going to fold AMC, and we're going to fold Task. Okay, although AMC is looking technically better as of today, so that one you can kind of make your own decision. I'm out of it currently. I don't plan to rebuy it unless there's a massive bullish breakout, and I'll just be watching that in my watch list. Okay, this is, I've never told you about this one. This is one that I'm just watching, CEIX. Sorry. So I haven't actually told you guys about that one. This is a good one. This is one that I am in, and I just bought more of. I just bought another 1,000 shares of this today. It went up a tiny bit for me. So in 1 month, it's up 20.09%. That's DVAX. I highly recommend you consider this. Look at the 6 months. 111%. Look at the year to date. 345%. Look at the year. 446%. Now, let me just tell you something that I found out. Now, this is one of those little Wall Street secrets, okay? You're not supposed to know about this stuff, guys. You're just not. I don't want you to know about this. Okay. Right here. Revenue. Year over year. 1,877%, guys. Sick. Earnings per share. Year over year. 103%. This is the kind of stuff dreams are made of, man. DVAX. Get it while it's hot. Stick with the wheelhouse. You're going to get paid. Next one up is Palantir. I'm running Palantir. I'm in it. Again, it's one that I'm always seem to be swing trading and investing in both. And I hit that perfect. That bounce off the 200. If you go watch that video, I hit that right when it bounced off the 200, like I've been explaining to you guys. In 1 month, you're up 14.63%. We're going to hold that. Antero Resources. I had a lot of Antero Resources. I had close to 10,000 shares of this. I made a lot of money on it, but I set my stop really tight around earnings. Earnings were a little conflicted. They came out and said that they are now the second largest producer in their industry. That was bullish. They made a lot of revenue. They paid off $91 million in debt and had a lot of free cash flow. That was bullish. But their earnings per share, they were equal or even with Wall Street estimates, which we want a beat on those. We want to beat on those earnings like I was explaining in the Monday morning video. So I did get stopped out in a large profit. I am considering to rebuy it, but I have just kind of waited for this whole like dip to go by. And as you can see, even though it made a ton of money, it also took it all away, and it's actually down. So right now I'm out of it. If you're still in it, I would say that I still am very positive. Feel very positive. This could go to 32, 38 for sure. But investors need to kind of sift through it all of what came out on that earnings. And that earnings report was kind of confusing. It was. So I'm going to stay neutral on that. I do want to rebuy it, but I'm going to wait for a bullish momentum myself. Now, Facebook, I just recommended that yesterday in the Monday morning video. I explained exactly why I think Facebook was a good buy. I picked it up at 313. Sorry. So, I just recommended in the Monday morning video. It's up 1.98% already. Zion's, I haven't picked it up myself, but I do think that it's about to pop, okay? Oops, not oil. So, now this is financial, so it's just about to start its sector rotation. So this is up a little over 0.5%, so 0.61%, and you can see how it's just starting to do its thing. So that's financial. Financials are rotating. Snowflake, I recommended that would be a good safe buy, and it had some bullish momentum. It looked like it was about to go up, and it has. It's gone up 21.4%. So congratulations on that. Marvell, I did a good, solid technical analysis on Marvell of why I thought that this was going to be a good long hold, and this could be a real long winner for you. You're up 19.74%. Congratulations, guys. AMTX, made money with it, but I got stopped. There was a little trouble like a week ago, and it stopped me out. I have not rebought, but I know that it has made money. And I caught the majority of this money, and I just was recently stopped. So 19.38. Congratulations! I know a lot of you took AMTX with me. I talked to a lot of you guys. This FAS, man, I hope some of you guys bought it. I know a couple people did, and they are just like ecstatic about how much they've made with this. In a month, 22.96%. And remember, it's triple leveraged, so. Really good. XLF, I told you guys if you didn't want to buy all the financials, XLF was a good safe play to just get the whole sector. In a month, you should be going up. Yep, 6.5%. Remember, you're at the beginning of the financial sector rotation, so that's only going to grow for you. This is one I've just been making a fortune with, Asana, and I've been preaching it since the very beginning of the YouTube channel. You're up 35.48%. Who loves you, baby? We get it done over here, all right? Apple, I told you don't trip. You're going to 174. It's a little putter step, right? That's how Apple plays. It basically chugs along, and then all of a sudden it just rallies, and that's just how this one rolls. So don't trip. It's Apple, okay? I didn't love the earnings. It's a little warning sign for me when the Facebooks, the Amazons, and the Apples don't hit. Kind of lets me know, that stimulus money is running out, and the velocity of spending is changing, which is probably good for inflation, but it is a little warning shot over the bow that, we could, if it keeps crumbling in the earnings as we go, year up the road, we might feel that in the stock market. So just a fair little warning early, okay? So Apple in a month is up 7.06%. I don't even have a stop on my Apple. I got a lot of Apple too. I've had it for many, many years. Microsoft, I love those earnings. And it's another one I've been in for a long time. It's a juggernaut. It's an iceberg. It's up 16.34%. 16.34% on a juggernaut like Microsoft is massive. So congratulations. That's a long hold. You're going to keep that. Datadog. Datadog's our next one. Datadog swings up. It swings down for those of you who are in it. Okay, I'm sure it's a little gut wrenching, but you're up 20.5% over the month. So you're happy with me. Lucid. Who told you if we broke that number, we were going to the sky? This guy. And I told you exactly, technically, what would happen the day before it happened, didn't I? You're up 51.33%. Congratulations. You are paid. You're stacking chips. I know a lot of people took Lucid when I told them, and they weren't, either they had been in it for a long time like I was, or they didn't know. They watched my video. They hit me up and said, should I buy? I said, buy. And they were just ecstatic how much money they made. Pretty cool for being the first time jumping in like that. Adobe, I told you guys that I really liked Adobe a lot, and I thought that it got sold way too hard. It's up 14.63% in a month. ServiceNow is another good one that I like. Probably not up as much, but still strong, okay? In a month, it's up 10.36%, which is $64 a share. So it's doing really good for you guys. And then this is the new one I said yesterday I was interested in. I picked up a little bit myself even. It was down a little bit today, but let's see if we want to hold it, actually. In a month, it's up 8.64%. I bought mine at like 117, I don't know, 117.85, let's call it. So I'm down a couple bucks on it. Technically, really let me down today. Our vortex is still good, but this isn't, and this is coming down, and our price action came below. So I'm going to say ditch it. And again, it goes back to being in the wrong sector. Should have listened to myself 3 videos ago when I said can't be in that medical and health sector right now. You just can't do it. And there I go. I got excited, bought one, and lo and behold, you learn your lesson again and again until you finally learn your lesson. So we're going to stay out of healthcare and medical right now. So there you go. You got it. We're going to hold SoFi. We're going to hold Tesla. We're going to hold Playboy. We're going to hold Upstart. We're going to hold Clean Spark. We're going to hold SM Energy. We're going to hold apps. We're going to hold Medituan. We're going to hold NRGU, the triple leverage oil. We're going to hold Baidu. We're going to, you guys figure out what you want to do on AMC. If I was still in, I probably would just ride this little momentum, get what I can out of it, and get out. AMD, we're holding it. NEO, we're holding it. INMD, we're holding it. Task, it's out. We're done. CEIX, we never bought it. I didn't mean to put it in here. Sorry. DVAX, you're buying it if you haven't, and you're holding it. Palantir, it's a hold right now. You're in a good swing. Entero Resources, we're in a holding pattern. I think it's going to go up, and we just got to let everybody stomach that earnings report that was quite crazy. So Entero Resources, I'm gonna say hold. Facebook, you're going to hold or buy. Zion, you're at the beginning of the sector. I would say hold, buy, keep. Snow, hold, buy, keep. Marvell, hold. AMTX, hold. Fast, the triple leverage financial, you're definitely holding or buying. XLF, same thing. Ethereum, don't get rid of your Ethereum. Bitcoin, don't get rid of your Bitcoin. You're good. Asana, whoo, keep it. Apple, keep it. Microsoft, keep it. Datadog, keep it. Lucid, keep it. Adobe, keep it. Now, keep it. Edwards Life Sciences, get rid of. So all you're getting rid of is Task, Edward Life Sciences, and AMC. That's it. Who loves you, baby? Welcome to the wheelhouse.